Hey guys, today we're going to be reviewing the CarpodGo display unit. This will allow you to play like CarPlay if you have an iPhone and your factory radio doesn't have this on it. The car I'm going to be demonstrating today is a 2008 Kia, and it doesn't have it. And this will, enable that functionality for me. It's pretty awesome. It also works with an Android phone as well. It's 60 frames per second, has a laminated screen in it, and it's touchscreen for easy navigation. And the screen size on it is 8.9 inches, so it's pretty big. And this is going to be great. I'm pretty excited to use this thing. Let's dive into it, and I'll show you what it's all about. A couple of quick things. This is a T3 unit. What I'll do is I'll put a link to the product in the description of this video. A couple things real quick. It came with one of these auxiliary cords. They did send one to me. I'm not sure if it comes in the box, but it should be listed in the product description on their page if it does. So what this will do is, if you have an old vehicle like I do, and it has an auxiliary port, you can plug this into the back of the display unit, plug it into the radio, and then the audio will go over the speakers in your car. If you have like a newer car, my wife has a 2018 Kia, I'm using this as an example, her CarPlay works right through the car radio because it's a newer car and it's all enabled for that stuff. So it just kind of works like magic. And here is another accessory that they offer. It's a backup camera. I'm not going to put this in because I'm going to use this display unit between a few different vehicles that I have, but essentially it has a plug on the end, and it plugs in pretty easy to the harness with it. This would plug back into the display head unit, and this wire right here, I believe, gets connected to the one of the reverse light circuits on the back of the vehicle, so that when you put the vehicle in reverse, it'll send power to the harness, and then on the head unit, it'll show through the camera and what you're backing up to. So here is the bracket, the dash bracket that it came with. It comes with a base, so you can stick it to your dash like I have here. This attaches to it, it's adhesive. You can also flip this around and stick it to your windshield if you would like to. This bracket is highly adjustable. You can loosen it right here at this joint by twisting the knob. And there's another knob right here that you can extend out or retract forward. This one's retracted all the way in, but it comes out quite a bit. So I also got this power cord, also comes with it, has an off and on switch, and also a USB connection right here to plug in your iPhone or whatever it is. So I'm going to press that, and I'm going to turn on the display unit. Okay, so I'm going to connect my iPhone. So I'm going to hit the CarpodGo button, and it said, please turn Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone, and you've got to pair it. So here is the thing right here. So I'm going to select that, and then pair, and hit allow. It's doing its thing, and now it says connected. Use CarPlay. Came up with another prompt. Just kind of walk through the prompts on your phone. There we go. So here's like the display mode right here, and so what I'm gonna do is I'll go to like maps. So I'm gonna select that on my phone, and then let's go pretend we're gonna go to a pizza restaurant. So I'm gonna select that on my phone, and then I don't know, we'll go to this place, Triple E's. And now it's enabled on the speakers within my then turn left onto car. Avenue. So with the older vehicle that I have, I said this is a 2008 Kia Sorento. I don't have an aux plug here, a port to connect with the wire that I showed you earlier in the video to the head unit. So I had to, there's a setting here that you can enable through the radio. So I have the head unit on 103.3. So now it's connected through my radio over to the speakers in the vehicle. So now I can kind of listen through the speakers on the cars. You kind of drive through town. Let's go down the road real quick, and I'll take a quick glance at this. And it's going to yell at me because I'm going the wrong way.
Turn right onto Barbara Avenue, then turn left onto Linwood Avenue.
So in this older vehicle with the display unit, this is great. You know, I can kind of follow along. It's right in front of me. I'm not taking my eyes off the road. It's a quick glance. It's a nice big screen. The screen is 8.9 inches big, if anybody's wondering. And we're gonna go back around the block to Tony's place.
Turn left onto Linwood Avenue, then
great.
turn right onto Lawrence Road.
Okay, so I wanted to demonstrate this feature as well. I just got a text. Brenna, my camera girl, is videoing this, and she texted from my phone, and a message came up that I had texted her, but it wasn't quick enough. You could touch it and it'll open up. So if you miss it, you can go into here, go into messages, and then she has me in there as Pa. Thanks, Bren.
Pa said hi, and hi. Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say to Pa?
How you doing, Brenna?
It says, how are you doing, Brenna? Send it?
Send.
Done.
Now, I really like that feature. Here I am in an older vehicle that had none of this technology in it. I can use the CarpodGo display unit to enable newer features and functionality into my older vehicle. And this works on a new vehicle too. If you don't have like the CarPlay in your new vehicle, I have a 2014 Ford Expedition, and my CarPlay doesn't work on the big head unit, the display that's in that vehicle. It's more friendly with Android. It kind of aggravates me, so I'm going to use that in that truck too. But what I really like about this is my hands are on the steering wheel. I'm more focused on the road. I can verbally reply back to a text like you can in the newer cars. My wife's 2018 Kia does this. It's great, and it's awesome. It's a quick, easy thing, and you're not looking at your phone. You're not replying to a text on your phone like you're not supposed to be doing. But you can verbally do it. You can concentrate on the road. This is huge. This is really a cool thing. I'm pretty excited that these guys sent me this product. I really can't wait to use it more. If you deliver, like if you work for some like the services, you know, the delivery services, it'd be great to have one of these in your vehicle. A lot of the guys that do deliveries, including people in my family, they'll have an old vehicle. They have like an 03 or an 02 or whatever it is. They can use this, and people are bothering them throughout the day with texting and all kinds of crap. They can reply back as I just did, verbally, focus on the road, and they're off into the races, and they'll find those houses in the neighborhoods easier for them. And this is really a cool product. There's more navigation functionality, and I'll show you a couple real quick. Like, you can listen to music on this thing, and you know, you can go to like iTunes or whatever, and if there's like a playlist, you can go in there. And like there's a radio, and you just kind of can go through and you can kind of play different things. There's a lot of different things that this head unit does. You know, here's your phone, and you can kind of call people on that are in your phone list. So we have like XM radio. I can listen to that. So I put a link in the description of this video over to this product. It's CarpodGo. It's really a cool product. I can't wait to start using it more. It's going to make this vehicle more enjoyable, and like I said, I can use it in my 2014 Expedition because I can't use my iPhone CarPlay through that. When I got that truck, I thought I would be able to, but it doesn't have it in it. So with this, I'll be able to use that, and it's a lot bigger of a screen, and I can kind of see where I'm going and not take my eyes off the road. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. And, you know, thanks for watching, checking out all the cool products you have on the channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I will talk to you later. Thanks.